Good morning, class 9th. Exercise 4.3, question number 6. The question is, if work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of equation in two variables and draw the graph of same by taking a constant force as 5 units. Also, read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by body is first 2 units and second 0 units. See, work done we represent it by W. W is directly proportional to the distance. If we'll remove this sign of proportionality, we'll put equal and a constant. Here constant is force, so W is equals to F into D. Now F is given 5 units, so W is equals to 5D. Now for comfortability, I am just replacing W by Y and D by X. So finally we'll be getting Y is equals to 5X. This is our linear equation in two variables. We'll make graph of this. For making graph, we need to have at least 2 points. So, and I'm putting X is equals to 1. You can write putting X is equal 1. For one variable, you will put a desired value, and another variable you will be getting the value by calculation. X is equals to 1, so Y will be 5 into 1, that is 5. X is equals to 3, then Y will be 15. So we'll make a box like this, X 1, then Y 5. If X is 3, Y is 15. For this we'll be making graph. You can see this is graph X axis, Y axis, X axis, this X dash. In negative direction it is X dash. This is origin. Y axis, Y dash. Now I am taking 1 2 3 4 5 6 on X axis and 5 10 15 20 25 30. We need to write a scale also. It is very important part of the graph. Scale at X axis, 1 unit is equals to 1 unit distance I have taken, and at Y axis it is 1 unit is equals to 5 unit work done. On Y axis we have taken work done, so 1 unit distance means it is 1 centimeter in graph sheet, so I have taken it 5 units of work done. So if X is 1, Y is 5, so for X1, Y 5, it will be the point. If X is 3, Y is 15, this will be the point. We will join this by a straight line. And now questions based on this. If X is equals to, if distance is 2 units, so what will we do? Just see it very carefully. Corresponding to 2, we'll draw a perpendicular from this 2 on this graph, so it will be a straight line. Then from this point we'll be joining this, and the point where this line will meet, that will be value of work done, that is 10 units. You can see from graph. Again at 0, both are 0, so if distance is 0, work done will be 0. So this is how we used to get it from graph. Now second question. Question number 7th. Yamini and Fatima, two students class 9th of a school, together contributed ₹100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies the data. You may take their contribution as X and Y. Draw the graph of the same. See, I have taken, let Yamini's contribution is ₹X and Fatima's contribution ₹Y. So together they contributed ₹100. It means X plus Y is equals to 100. Now I have taken X is equals to 0, then Y will be 100. If I will be taking Y is equals to 0, X will be 100. Again we'll be plotting graph. This X axis X dash, Y axis Y dash. So we are having simple values here. I have taken at X axis, you can see scale, 1 unit is equals to ₹50, and at Y axis 1 unit is equals to ₹50. So 50, 100, 150 and so on, 50, 100, 150 and so on. X is equals to 0, Y is equals to 100. This will be the point. X, then Y is equals to 0, X is equals to 100. This will be the point. We will join this by a straight line. Thank you. Likewise, you can plot all the graphs.